Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, where creativity comes to you with monthly craft kits delivered to your door. This month you're creating something special to hold secret messages, gift notes or dried foliage with these gilded clay decorations, perfect for your tree or as festive decorations. Add a sprig of your favourite sculptural foliage, a little intention or love note, or give them as a gift with a note of what their present will be. Inside your kit you'll find your template, sandpaper, a paintbrush, a wooden stick, toothpicks, metallic cord, a dust mask, metallic paint, rolling pin and your air dry clay. Start by carefully cutting out the templates with your scissors. There are two sizes of the oval-shaped pieces and two sizes of the U-shaped pouch pieces. Open out your Craftiosity box and cut off one of the side flaps, then cut the flap in half so you have two short rectangles rather than two long thin ones. Bend the cardboard to make it more pliable, then roll it up tightly into a tube. Tape up the cardboard tube with tape. Sellotape is the best for this. Open your pack of air dry clay and divide off approximately 1/4 of the block of clay using the side of your wooden stick. Roll the clay between your hands briefly to soften it. Place the clay onto a piece of plain paper and use your wooden rolling pin to roll the clay out so it's approximately 1/2 centimetre thick. Place the larger oval-shaped template on top of the rolled out clay. Draw around the template with the point of a toothpick. Remove the template and use the point of the toothpick to cut out the oval shape from the clay. Take the scrap clay left from cutting out the oval. Roll the clay to roughly 1/2 centimetre thick using your rolling pin. Place a larger pouch template on top and cut out using a toothpick. Flatten the edges of the pouch with your rolling pin to make it easier to blend into the larger oval piece. Position your homemade cardboard tube centrally on the clay oval, with the bottom of the tube roughly 2 to 2.5 centimetres from the bottom of the oval. Drape the clay pouch section over the tube. Using the curved end of the wooden stick, smooth out the clay from the pouch on either side of and underneath the cardboard tube. Take a small dish of water. Wet your finger and use it to smooth any creased or uneven areas and to blend the edges of the pouch in. You can also use your wooden stick to help smooth the clay. Just be careful not to make the clay too wet, a little water goes a long way. Finally, use your toothpick to make a hole at the top of your decoration for your hanging string. Repeat these steps to make 2 more decorations using the smaller sized templates. Roll each decoration out onto a separate piece of paper. Allow the decorations to dry for 3 to 4 hours, then gently remove the cardboard from the pouch section. Leave for a further 24 to 48 hours or until they are completely dry all the way through. Cut the sandpaper into smaller pieces. Use your dust mask for sanding as the clay can get very dusty. Sand the front of the decoration using a circular motion, concentrating on any areas that are uneven or have marks. Then sand the edges of your decoration so they are rounded and smooth. Wipe your decoration with a dry cloth or tissue to remove the dust. Now you can decorate your decorations. Draw your design on in pencil first or go straight in with paint if you're feeling confident. Add a leafy flourish. Use the end of a toothpick to create a dotted design, a word or a date with the paintbrush. The pointed tip gives a thin line or apply more pressure for a thicker line. Paint the sides of your decorations, bringing the paint over slightly so there is an edge around the front. You can paint a different design on each or make a matching set. Use ours for inspiration or create your own. Once you've decorated them, cut a piece of cord roughly 20 centimetres long. Fold the cord in half and thread the folded end through the hole in the decoration. Pull the ends of the cord through the loop of cord and tighten. Tie a knot in the ends of the cord to make a hanging loop. And well done, your decorations are complete. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit project next month.